Hi, I'm Rick McCord of the McCord Golf Academy here at Orange Lake Country Club. We're going to talk a little bit about putting, and the thing about putting that I find that most people are getting more confused with is all the techniques that are out there today. If I was to tell you that putting was fundamental, that you had to have a specific grip and a specific stance and a specific stroke, I'd be proven a liar, because you can have all different types of stances, strokes, putters, grips. So the key fundamental that you have to pay attention to is simply the club face. Where the club face is pointing at impact is going to determine where the ball goes. If the face is open, the ball is going to the right. If it's closed, it's going to the left. And we want to try to hit the ball right on that sweet spot. I always equate the analogy, if I was trying to drive the ball or drive a head of a hammer at the head of a nail, I'll be driving that sweet spot of the hammer right at the head of the nail. It's just like the putter going to the ball. We're not mishitting it from side to side. So in putting, we can line our body open, close. We can have a shoulder stroke, an arm stroke, a wristy type stroke. All of those are acceptable. And all three of those types of strokes and those different alignments, the key to remember is getting the putter to be aligned to where you want the ball to start. So if I'm hitting to this hole, I want to start the ball somewhat the inside left of that hole. I line my body up in a position that's comfortable to make a stroke, with my main intention being on that putter face, starting the ball on that line. When I get the sense of the ball starting on that line, I only have to worry on the speed of the stroke. Speed of the stroke, of course, is probably the biggest contributor to missed putts. Get the line and then trust your speed. So as you get up to the ball, once you've established the line, stroke the ball, trying to get the center of that face in the center of that ball, and you'll find the ball will tumble and roll on line. And that's going to help with your putting, no matter if it's a short putt or a long putt.
Now that you've viewed your weekly Watts tip, check out the great deals on brand name golf equipment, new and used drivers, irons, and putters. Click the links above to see Edwin Watts golf specials today.